In this video, we are going to find a node voltage at node A and I1 current and I2 current and finally source current. First of all, we can see here these three terminals are ground. That's mean the voltage at these three terminals, this in here, 0 volt. First of all, I will note down it, and I am going to write Ohm's law. I am going to write the source current using Ohm's law. I source is equal the node voltage at VA here, the supply voltage at 10 volt here. The supply voltage 10 volts minus VA divided by 5 ohms. This is I source current. I1 current is equal VA voltage VA minus, in here the voltage is 0, divided by the resistance of this resistor is 10 ohms. And I2 current is, we know the voltage at here is VA minus, we know the ground voltage is equal to 0 divided by 20 ohms. Now I am going to write the equation using Kirchhoff current law. I source is equal, I source current is equal summation of I1 and I2. I1 plus I2. We already write down the equation for I1, I2 and I source current. I source current is 10 voltage minus VA divided by 5 ohms. 10 volt minus VA divided by 5 equal I1 current is VA minus 0 means VA divided by 10 ohms. VA divided by 10 ohms. So this should be I2 current. I2 current is VA minus 0 means VA divided by 20 ohms plus VA divided by 20 ohms. To simplify this mathematical expression, I will multiply both sides by 20. Then I get mathematical expression like 4 into 10 minus VA equal 2VA plus VA. Right. I am going to multiply this bracket using this 4. 4 into 10, 40. 4 into minus VA minus 4VA is equal 3. 2VA plus VA means 3VA. $40 equal this minus 4VA. I am going to get this side 4VA plus 3VA means 40 equal 7VA. I am going to divide both sides by 7 to find VA. VA is equal to 5.7 volt. Now we can find branch current one by one easily. So we already find the voltage VA, node voltage at A, that's 5.7 volts. So we can simply calculate I1 is equal VA minus 0 means VA. I'm not going to write that. 0 divided by 10 ohm. I1 equal, I am going to substitute VA as 5.7 volt divided by 10 means I1 current is equal to 0.57 amperes. Right. Same as I am going to find I2 current. I2 is equal to VA divided by 20. We already know VA value is 5.57 volt divided by 20. I2 is equal to 5.7 divided by 20. I2 is equal to 5.7 divided by 20 means 0.285 amperes. 0.285 amperes. So finally we can find source current is equal to I1 at I2. I1 is 0.57 amperes at 0.287 0.287055 amperes. So finally we get the answers as 0.57 at 0.285. The final answer is the source current is 0.8555 amperes.